Hi everyone, my name is Emma Holland and I am an LTLE 370 student. I go to James Madison University in Harrisonburg, Virginia. I am a second semester junior at James Madison with a major in health sciences and a minor in human resource development. I took this class because this is one of the classes I need for my human resource development minor. This class as a whole allowed me to expand my knowledge on how to use and implement instructional technology in the workplace. I intend to use all of this information I've learned in this course during the last year of my studies as an undergrad and beyond. And this is just a little overview of the class. So, as defined by the James Madison University course catalog, students that complete this course will understand the principles and procedures of teaching/learning processes designed to provide the reliable and thorough, effective instruction by systematic application of instructional technology. This class will include selecting, producing, evaluating, and utilizing non-print media. It will also include how to use equipment for application to instructional processes. So these are some photo artifacts that I worked on in this class. So this is the instructional design timeline. I designed this using Tiki-Taki. Tiki-Taki allowed me to inform others about instructional technology by describing key dates and events relating to the history of instructional design. And this is just one event, which is instructional radio. And then you can click to the next slide. Later in the modules, we had to explain the ADDIE model, and the ADDIE model is a widely used framework for guiding the design and development of educational and digital media. I Googled ADDIE model and reviewed the different graphics. I then captured an image of the model graphic and liked and inserted it. And then this is the media creation tools concept map. The concept maps are an effective way to present tools as a good method in structured note-taking. They also make a student learning visible, letting the teacher examine the student's knowledge visually. And then this is basic Photoshop skills. And then we will go into video artifacts. And then these are 4 different videos that I made during class. And I think the most interesting one is the golden retriever thing link. Link is because golden retrievers are my favorite dog, and I wanted to find out more about them and which dogs they're connected to. And I thought this was the most interesting one because you can create a graphic, and then through ThinkLink, you can put little bubbles of you talking and creating your ThinkLink. And yep, that's my portfolio.